Ya as a long vowel. Ya as a long vowel is known in Arabic as ya maddiya. Ya maddiya comes from the word mad. Mad means prolong, a letter which is prolonged. So ya maddiya means ya prolonged, and we translated it in English as long vowel. Al-qira. The reading of this letter is like E in the word did. See, like did is like long E. That's exactly what a yamadiyya is. And the exit is the interior of the chest area. E. E. It's just a letter that comes out. It's like a kasra, like the sound of E, but long and from inside E, Yamadiyya, if the letter Ya comes after a letter with kasra and has no mark above or below it, then this Ya will be pronounced like double kasra as E in beep. Okay? B is short, but B is long. We call it maddiya or prolonged because it is doubling the time of kasra. An Arabic word cannot start with ya maddiya. Okay, these are known as long vowels. And in Arabic, the words never start with vowels, always start with consonants. Okay, so let's look at this. B is, this is inverted, yeah, but it's supposed to be ba with kasra plus ya. B. T. Fi. Ni. Yi. What do we observe here? The letter before the ya is a consonant that has kasra. And then ya is following and has no mark on it. Then, therefore, is called long ya. So let's read it. Nun kasra ya, ni. Ba fatha nun kasra ya, bani. Ta kasra ya, nun dhamma, tinu. Ya fatha ba kasra ya, ta dhamma, yabitu. Ba fatha ya sukun ta kasra ya, baiti. I will do a stop here. Here ya has sukun. So we could think that probably could be a long ya, but it's preceded by a fatha, therefore it's not a long ya. It's simply a ya as a consonant that is carrying a sukun. So we will read this bay, and here we have a long ya. We have a ya which is preceded by a letter that has a kasra and it has no sign on it. So this one is baiti. Or as a matter of fact, it's baiti. But if we want to emphasize here in this lesson how to read it, will be baiti. But that's not how we read yas at the end of the words. We will see that later on. Okay? But just for the sake of seeing the difference, we will read it like that. Baiti. This word means my house. And then when you read it, normally you just say baiti because you will not prolong it that long in this case. But in any other word in Arabic, whether it's a ya maddiya, you will just prolong it and you will just read it for two times, Let's say that each vowel is counted as one time. And then when you have a long vowel, it counts as two times. For example, yabitu. Say ya one time. Bi, two times. Tu, one time. Yabitu. Okay? The same here. Tinu. Tinu goes for two times. Meanwhile, nu goes for one. Tinu. Alright, let's continue. Ba kasra, nun sukun, ta kasra, ya binti. The same. When it's at the end, you don't read binti. Binti is not correctly read. Okay? Because when the ya is at the end, you just read it one time. Especially because this is it's a pronoun which is saying that this is mine. Bint means girl. Binti, my girl. Bait, house. Baiti, my house. But, well, for the sake of reading it, in this exercise, as we did with Baiti, will be binti, which is not how we will read it otherwise. And then, ba fatha, tha shadda kasra, ya bathi, or bathi, for the sake of this reading again. All right, then. Let's read it. واحد B T C Ni Yi. Here we have to be careful. We don't say just E. We have to read Ya with kasra. It's Yi. And then the Ya maddiya. Yi. اثنين BB TT CC نيني يي ثلاثة بيتو بينو تينو ثينا تيبي أربع يثني نبني تبني بنتي نثني خمسة نبيت تني نبني يني نني. So few seconds for you to read on your own. Al-Kitaba. The writing of Ya Maddiya is exactly the same as the normal Ya. It's just that it will never be at the initial. It will never be because it's a long vowel. And in Arabic, all words start with consonants. Then we have Teen. Here, Ya is a long vowel. It's preceded by Ya. It has no symbol on top. So therefore it's Teen. Ali, which means elevator. Ali. Okay. Ali, high, elevator. Here we see a Ya Maddiya at the end. And separated in the example Nadi, which means club. Nadi. Okay, so it will be on its own. Here we should separate the letters. Here identify Ya Maddiya. Be careful, don't confuse it with Ya as a consonant. Look for all its symbols. Remember, always preceded by kasra, never fatha, never dhamma, and never carry something on top of it. In some books you can find that it has a sukun, but it shouldn't. One of the rules of it is it's just a long vowel and it cannot carry another vowel with it because it's in itself a vowel. So that's one of the opinions, and therefore this is what this book is following. That it has sukun on top, remember, doesn't mean that it's a long vowel. Actually, in this book, it shouldn't carry anything. So just look for it and then circle it. And then this is a very interesting chart. It asks you to read these words and if it's Maddia or not, and then give your reason. Then write the words that you learn in this unit, in this part of the unit number 2. Easy grammar lesson. Possessive pronouns in Arabic are letters attached to the end of nouns. Ya maddiya is the equivalent to the pronoun my. So if we attach ya maddiya to the end of a noun, it will mean my. Example, bint means girl or daughter, and binti means my daughter. Bait means house, and baiti means my house. Okay, with this we finish the lesson number 2. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.